Your girl Don. This is part 2 of the panadez. Now this is a sample of the first one that I made. Now we have one here already flattened, filled with chicken meat that I deboned from the first video. And all I'm going to do here is flip this over. As you can see here, it's shaped like a tortilla. And I use some wax paper. I know back in the day, you press around, they used to use just plastic bags, you know. Of course, my grandparents are immigrants, so, you know, you use what you had, you know. And now since I flipped that over like a taco, and I'm gonna do is press in with the fork around the edges, and it's kind of gonna look like what you call it, a meat pie. You know, they have American meat pies. So what I did was I got the fork and I just press a little pressure on the edges and go in, okay? So I'm gonna unwrap it, and it's gonna look like a little meat pie. Okay, and put it in the hot oil, and it's going to grill, okay? Now you can find these compressors at any of your international Caribbean stores or at a Fiesta, you know, certain Hispanic markets. And you put that pressure to it, and it comes out as if it's a round tortilla. Okay, now you can use a plastic bag if you don't have any wax paper. And I'm going to fill some of these panadez with fish, and I'm going to fill some with chicken. Some chicken that I had already boiled and deboned from video part 1. You can actually see how I prepared my meat. Everybody enjoy your day, and I'm going to finish filling in these panadez and get them going and grilling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press like, subscribe. I just flipped it over, y'all. You see? And it looked like a little taco. Looks like a little taco. You know, a little meat pie. Hopefully you can see that there. There we go. Little meat pie. And I crossed it over. And I'm going to put a little pressure of the forks around the edges. And you want to put that pressure with that fork and slide it back. Pressure, then slide. But not too much, because you don't want to have to remold and mess up your empanada, okay? Or your panadez, whatever you want to call it, or your meat pie. Unravel it. In the wax paper, sometimes you might have to switch it out depending on how many of these you're actually making, because the paper does get soft. Okay, everybody, enjoy your day, and I hope you learned something today and you can cook something good for your family. Be blessed.